Religion is never meant to divide us. It is meant to remind us of the light within us. Whatever gives you a guiding direction in life, whether you follow Jesus, Muhammad, Buddha, Krishna, God, or Laozi, or you live guided by instinct and what you know to be true, they all point toward the same North Star, the divine light within. When we listen deeply, all teachings converge toward universal truth. Jesus said, "You are the light of the world," a reflection of the divine illumination that lives in all beings, inviting each of us to embody that light. Muhammad taught, there is a light in the heart of every believer, and that light is from the light of God. In Persian, the word for God, Khuda, translates to knowing self. Buddha revealed, be a light unto yourself. Enlightenment is not given, it is awakened from within. Krishna, in the Bhagavad Gita, said, I am the light in all beings, affirming that the same spark animates all of creation. Laozi, in the Tao Te Ching, wrote, the sage is one with the light, and it cannot blind him, reminding us that when we live in harmony with the eternal way, we become reflections of its brilliance. Moses, in Genesis 1:3, recorded, and God said, let there be light, and there was light. A blissful reminder that every atom of existence shines with the presence of eternal light. Together, these truths form a single current, flowing through time, language, and culture, reminding us that we are all reflections of one divine source. The light within can be seen as the spark of consciousness itself, the creative force of life that moves us to love, to seek truth, and to create meaning in the world. When we awaken to this knowing, we rise in abundance, in community, and in co-creation. We stop seeking separation and start embodying the divine unity that has always been. Let us walk forward as one human family, guided by our inner light, in alignment with the highest good, with truth, with love, and the light that we all are. Much love.